Content Writing, How to Make Money Writing Online. Hello, and welcome back to 100 Ways to Make Money Online, the audiobook series where we explore practical, legitimate, and beginner-friendly ways to build income using the internet. In today's episode, we're going to explore a skill that almost every online business needs: content writing. Think about the internet for a moment. Every website you visit contains words. Every blog has articles. Every online store has product descriptions. Every company needs website pages. Every newsletter needs emails. Every social media account needs captions. And behind much of this content are writers. That means there is a huge world of opportunity for people who know how to communicate clearly through words. So what exactly is content writing? Content writing is the process of creating useful written material for an audience. The goal is usually to educate, inform, entertain, attract customers, answer questions, or build trust. Content writers can create blog posts, website articles, social media content, email newsletters, product descriptions, guides, tutorials, case studies, scripts, and many other forms of digital content. And here's the exciting part. You don't necessarily need to be a professional author to get started. If you can research a topic, organize information, write clearly, and understand what readers need, you can develop content writing skills. Let's imagine a small company that sells fitness equipment. The company has excellent products, but its website doesn't receive much traffic from search engines. They decide to publish helpful articles such as how to create a beginner home workout, how often should you exercise, and best exercises for busy professionals. Someone has to research and write those articles. That person could be a content writer. The company gets useful content, readers get valuable information, and the writer gets paid for creating it. That's the basic content writing business model. Now let's look at some of the most popular types of content writing. The first is blog writing. Businesses publish blog articles to educate their audience and attract visitors through search engines. The second is website content, which includes pages such as About Us, services, FAQs, and landing pages. The third is SEO content. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO writers create content designed to be useful to readers while also helping search engines understand the topic. The fourth is product content. Online stores need product descriptions, buying guides, comparisons, and category pages. The fifth is social media content. Businesses need captions, educational posts, promotional content, and content calendars. The sixth is email content. Companies use newsletters and email campaigns to communicate with their customers. And the seventh is script writing. YouTube creators, podcasts, educational channels, and businesses often need scripts. So, how do you start a content writing career? Let's break it down into simple steps. The first step is to choose a niche. You can start as a general writer, but choosing a niche can make it easier to build expertise. Think about subjects you already understand or enjoy learning about, such as technology, business, finance, travel, education, real estate, fitness, food, artificial intelligence, marketing, personal development, or almost any other area where people need information. You don't have to know everything about your niche. You simply need to be willing to research carefully and present information clearly. The second step is to learn how to research. Good content starts with good research. Before writing an article, understand the topic. Look at reliable sources, compare information, identify what readers are asking, and organize the information into a logical structure. Don't simply rewrite what another website says. Your job is to create useful, original content that gives readers a better experience. The third step is to learn basic SEO. SEO can make your writing much more valuable. Learn how keywords work, understand search intent, use clear headings, write useful introductions, organize information with subheadings and lists when appropriate, and most importantly, answer the reader's question. Don't write for search engines alone. Write for humans first. The fourth step is to build a portfolio. If you don't have clients yet, don't worry. You can create your own samples. Write 3 to 5 high-quality articles in your chosen niche. For example, if you want to write about technology, create articles explaining useful technology topics. If you want to specialize in finance, create educational articles about budgeting, saving, or investing concepts. Your portfolio demonstrates what you can do. The fifth step is to find your first clients. There are several ways to find content writing work. Freelance platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr can connect writers with clients. LinkedIn can help you network with businesses and marketing professionals. You can also contact companies directly. Look for businesses with blogs, websites, newsletters, or social media accounts that need improvement. Instead of simply saying, "I am a writer," show them how your writing can solve a problem. For example, you could explain that you notice their company publishes articles about their industry and that you can help create consistent, SEO-friendly content that answers their customers' common questions. That is much more powerful. The sixth step is to deliver excellent work. Getting your first client is only the beginning. The real goal is getting repeat clients. Meet deadlines, follow instructions, research carefully, proofread your work, communicate professionally, and be open to feedback. A reliable writer can become extremely valuable to a business. Now let's talk about pricing. Content writers may charge per word, per article, per project, or by the hour. Some clients may need a single article, while others may want 10 articles every month. Your rates will depend on your experience, niche, research requirements, writing quality, and the value you provide. Don't focus only on how much you can charge today. Focus on becoming better. As your portfolio expertise and client results improve, you can gradually increase your rates. Now let's discuss a few mistakes beginners should avoid. First, don't plagiarize. Always create original content. Second, don't sacrifice quality simply to write faster. Third, don't ignore the client's instructions. Fourth, don't miss deadlines without communicating. And fifth, don't rely entirely on AI to create your content. AI tools can help with brainstorming, outlines, research organization, and editing, but successful content still requires human judgment, originality, fact-checking, and a clear understanding of the audience. Your goal should be to use technology as a tool, not as a replacement for your thinking. So, how much can you earn? There is no guaranteed income. Some beginners use content writing as a side hustle and earn additional income. Others build full-time freelance careers. Experienced writers can specialize in valuable industries and work with businesses on ongoing contracts. The biggest advantage is that content writing can be started with very little equipment, a computer, an internet connection, and your skills. That's it. Now imagine your journey. Today, you write your first sample article. Tomorrow, you improve it. Then you create a portfolio. You contact your first potential client. Eventually, someone says yes. You complete your first project. Then you receive your first payment. After that, you improve your skills and find another client. Over time, you could build a portfolio of work, develop expertise in a niche, and create long-term relationships with businesses. And here's the most important lesson. Businesses don't simply pay writers for words. They pay for results. They want content that attracts visitors. They want articles that answer customer questions. They want content that builds trust. They want information that helps their audience. The better you understand these goals, the more valuable your writing becomes. So if you want to start today, don't wait for someone to hire you. Choose a topic, research it, write a useful article, edit it carefully, publish it in your portfolio, then write another one. Every article is practice, every project is experience, every client is an opportunity to learn. And every improvement increases your value. Thank you for listening to episode 11 of 100 Ways to Make Money Online. If you're enjoying this audiobook series, subscribe and continue with us as we explore more practical ways to build income online. In the next episode, we'll discover another opportunity that could help you turn a simple digital skill into a potential source of income. Until then, keep learning, keep writing, and keep creating value. Because on the internet, valuable information is a product, and if you know how to communicate that information effectively, your words can become a valuable skill.